What's going on, guys? Ben from Real Work Marketing here. Today I'm going to walk you through a bit of a snapshot of what we do to help contractors with branding and websites. So first off, I'd like to say that these are all made from pre-made designs, so we can roll these out in just a few days for the cost of one job. So let me just walk you through a few designs and I'll show you everything you get with it, which is a lot. So here's an example of one of our websites that we can do for construction business. We'll set you up with a custom logo if you don't already have one. We'll give you some brand colors, brand fonts, and we'll give you a really high converting homepage that tries to drive sales and attract leads. We like to showcase some of your services, a little bit about your business, testimonials, and of course we fully break down each of these sections with an About Us page, what all your services are, get into all the details so you're not wasting any of your time or any of your clients' time. Now, some of these pages are optional if you want to display pricing or not. This is all fully customizable and we'll update it for you. And again, we'll make it really easy for customers to contact you if they're interested. Now, in addition to this, we can also set you up with a custom email for your domain so that you don't have a Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail emails that just look very unprofessional. Now here's a landscaping website where you can see a very similar theme, showing a bit about the business, some of your services, testimonials. These are just high converting websites that attract a lot of leads for your business and will pay for themselves in no time. Now landscaping, really important. You can add a gallery of the work you've done, show off what you can do. We find this works really well with landscaping customers. Now here's a really quick overview of a website we can do for electricians. A little bit about the business, who we are, the services we do, getting straight to the point, not wasting your time or the customer's time. A little bit of testimonials, what the client says, and make it really easy for the customer to get into contact with you. If you're interested in working with us, I encourage you to visit realworkmarketing.com. You can book an onboarding call with me, and I'll help you figure out a marketing strategy that works for your business and your price point. Remember to follow us on social media. I'll be posting a couple different templates for each type of contracting business that we do. If you want to see some templates, just reach out to me personally. You can email me at contact@realworkmarketing.com. or leave a comment on the video, tell me what you want to see, and I'll try to get to it. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.